A warm welcome to this short presentation where I will take you through the use of Prodiscover as a digital forensic tool. My name is Malvin Mchingang, and I'll start by defining what is digital forensics. It is the process of uncovering and interpreting electronic data. The aim is to preserve evidence in its original form while performing a structured investigation by collecting, identifying, and validating the digital information to reconstruct past events. Meaning to say, we can actually recover information that was once in a machine or on a flash or whatever digital device that you are working on, or a destroyed computer. So we'll start by entering a project number. Let us call it project number 008, and project file name, let us call it evidence 1, and I'll just use the same for description. Then before I click open, I'll explain these three icons. This is a new project, that's why I entered this information. Open project, I would have used this one if I wanted to open something that is already in this machine that I created earlier on, or a captured image. Then I'll explain what is an image later on. Then recent project, if I want to open something that I've been recently working on, then that's when I will use this icon. So let me proceed to click open, and now there are several ways to capture this image. There's a camera icon here, capture image, which you can just click and capture any relevant information on this platform, or you can click on action and then capture image. Alternatively, you can also click add here and then capture and add image. And then the source drive, this is where you want to take original information and then you create an image. An image is that which you are creating from the original, so that you work on the copy. As a rule, we do not work on the original information, we work on a copy, and we should not alter anything on the original. The destination, this is the local path where I want to save the image. For this one, let me save it on disk E, and the file name is evidence1. Let me save it. Then I'll leave the shadow volume name empty. Technician name, my name is Malvin Mchingang, as I said earlier on. Then in this process of creating the image, it is important to make sure that the local path has got sufficient space to avoid challenges whereby the space is insufficient. Image number, we say it is 008, and description, let us just call it evidence. Then there's an option to compress the image that we are creating, but it's unfortunate. It may compromise the quality or the format of our image. We should not come up with something that's different from the original, so we are not going to use this option. To safeguard the image, you can also put a password so that whoever has access to this machine will not play around with the image that we would have created. So for the sake of our time, we're not going to do that. And then at the bottom here, you're going to see some bars showing progress on the process of creating the image. And at the bottom left here, you're going to see the original size, the size of the original, as well as the size of the image that would have been created. Then we are going to proceed and create the image. So as I said, you're already seeing progress at the bottom left as well as the bottom right, the creation of the image. Once we are done, we will see what was on this flash and what we can recover and how we can recover it. Now our image capture is complete. Let us check our image and see the image that we have managed to capture. Now come to images here and you open evidence 1. So from here you can see what we have captured, what is on this flash, and this red X here, it means something was deleted from this folder. And yeah, if you want to delete it, if you want to recover it, you can just add a comment here, just say recovered, then I press OK, and then no, I don't want to recover all those things. Then I can proceed. Then this I can also use this option to just copy and save it elsewhere. Then if I come to this part and display evidence, there are some further details that are provided about the information that we have recovered, that we have got from the flash, and we can now work on the image and not on the original information.